Hey guys, I'm back. Now we're gonna stream gonna stream. Do you stream? Please donate or Plants vs Brain Rots. We're gonna stream. Please donate. So we see if I can be donated by somebody. Can anybody donate? I need to be donated so I can be happy. I don't want to be sad. Guys, if you want to donate to me, this is my username. My username is Frigo. I can't even write very good. I don't mind that. But let us go to just playing the game. So yeah, we do this. We come and claim a stand. We put it like a quantum stand or what? And I'm sitting on the floor. How? This game is glitched. I just claimed my bull. Now I put the quantum stand. Where's my quantum stand? Twende Maya. Wait, I put my quantum stand. Let's go. I'm just waiting for my quantum stand to just load. This game glitchy. My game so glitchy. My game so glitchy. No, that's how we do it. Now we come to the quantum one and we put it as a quantum one. Now we put our goal at 20. No, we put it at 10. Okay, we put it at 10. We put it, our goal, my goal is 10. My goal is 10 Robux. Robux. What's the
Hata nitakufanya video nikate nitakupigia bye.
The X is here. So it's like my goal is 10 Robux. So we said it. And it's like that. My goal is 10 Robux. Now I'm done. So if anybody wants to donate, they can come to me. Somebody donated 1 Robux. That's very nice of him. Oh. Oh. We just celebrated. Now we come. My friend just invited me in still a brain rot. My other friend is in Grow Garden. Let's join my friend in still a brain rot. Let's see if he scams me. If he scams me, it's going live. No, my friend is here. He has something good. Let us check upstairs. That's the best things ever. What we're gonna steal is the Los Mobiles. And he just kicked me. He's a scammer. You look. Don't trust that guy. That guy, don't